So everybody, I don't normally do unboxing videos. I do videos for, scenic videos flying around, but I thought maybe I'd do this one because it's kind of a new product to me anyway. And I just wanted to give a little shout out to those that went to Spin Up. And I want to thank Brad Alston for the Don't Fly Alone Spin Up coaster there. I use it with my Ready Set Drone mug. And we'll get into this little review here. This is my new toy that I got. Just ordered it from Evo Gimbals. They gave me a nice little cleaning cloth here for it. Got an Insta360 ONE X2. Looks like I spilled some coffee on it there. And so we're going to unbox it here. Got a scan disc. I'll unbox that later, but it came with a selfie stick. Pretty nice. Insta360 selfie stick. 128 gigabyte SD card. And then this the Insta360 ONE X2. So I'm just gonna the satisfying open up the box and let's see what's in it. Reveal here. My plan is to get some 360 shots, either with FPV cameras or with my Evo, Autel Evo. So there they go. The box is open. Got a little protector to keep it from bouncing around. And then there's the camera. I think my Evo will be able to lift this, although this is pretty heavy. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be. And then I don't think my Mini 2 will have enough power to lift something like this. This feels like it weighs about a pound. That's a lot. I have to figure out what that weighs. See if my drones can lift it. But I know the Evo could do it no problem. It's got lots of power. Anyway, I'll take those off later. But anyway, so what's in the box is here's the actual camera itself. Looks like the battery is right here. What do we got here? Is this the SD slot? Looks like that's the charging port right there. And battery right there. Where's the SD card go into this thing here? Let's open up the battery port. There's nothing in there. Always love these things when they hang on like this and you can't see in there. That looks like a USB charging port. Power button. Maybe it's got internal memory. It did say something about internal memory on it. So it doesn't need an SD card, so I'm not sure why they sent an SD card with it then. But I'll find out. Anyway, so there's the Insta360 and the battery. And let's see what we get with accessories in the accessory bag, it says here. So, let's see. Pop this open right here. Oh, just what it says. It's an accessory bag. It's a nice little foam neoprene. Reminds me of a scuba diving neoprene thing to put your camera into. And then, of course, all sorts of instructions. We'll just throw those out. Nobody reads instructions, right? And then I think down here at the bottom there's probably going to be some cables or something. Pull this out this way. And there is the USB-C cable. So that's all there is to the unboxing of the Insta360 ONE X2. Thanks for watching.